Most Indian moms don't have a money problem. They have a money trauma problem. Moms, tell me honestly, have you ever checked your bank balance, seen that money is actually there and still felt that tight knot of money anxiety in your chest? You're earning, you're responsible, you're doing all the right things. So, why does money still feel scary? Today we are talking about why mothers feel money anxiety even when they are earning and what you can do about it starting today. Hi, I'm Nitya Rangarajan, Productivity, Money and Time Legacy Coach for Mothers and the creator of Millionaire Mom Program. I help Indian moms heal money guilt, build powerful habits and move towards their first million with calm and not burnout. Now let's break this down. Why moms feel money anxiety? Reason 1 is you earn but you also carry the entire mental load. School fees, EMIs, groceries, emergencies, future planning, all running in the background of your mind. So your brain is never fully safe. Reason 2, you were taught fear and not confidence. Don't waste money, we can't afford that, be careful, money doesn't grow on trees. So now even when money comes in, your body remembers that old fear. Reason 3, you have income but not a system. Money in, money out, and you are just hoping it works out. You have no clear plan, and that is why you have that constant anxiety. Now let's fix that using simple actionable steps. Step 1, the 5-minute money check. Once a day, open your bank app, breathe, and say, this number does not define me. It actually informs me. Write one line. What is one smart thing I can do with money this week? Step 2, give your money a job. Divide your income into simple buckets. Essentials, future, that is savings, investments, joy, learning. Even if it is small amounts, your brain feels more in control now, right? And step 3, soothe the fear. Not just the numbers, okay? Use affirmations, EFT, Ho'oponopono. Please tell yourself, I am learning to feel safe with money. If this spoke to you, you do not just have a money problem, you have a money plus emotion plus system problem. So that's exactly what we solve inside the Millionaire Mom Program. We heal the guilt, create simple systems and build the confident money identity your kids will learn from. If you want 2026 to be the year your money anxiety finally calms down, click the link in the caption below and join Millionaire Mom Program today. Your income is already here. Now it's time for your peace to catch up.